Welcome back to Buxton's Market Insights and a look back at what has been an incredibly strong start to the year. I'm Kimpton from Buxton Real Estate Group, and I'm pleased to share with you that we've had an incredible start to the year. Last November, the RBA increased our interest rates for the 13th time since May 2022. Despite this, our market has continued to gain momentum throughout the month. Our sales for the first quarter of 2024 have shown that buyers were not deterred by this. Year on year, the comparison to last year shows this is quite the opposite. As is typical for the first quarter of the year, we've seen an influx of vendors wanting to sell their properties before Easter and an influx of buyers who are wanting to buy, having sold in spring. Auctions have been well attended and some standout results have been recorded. For example, number 3 Alpha Court in Mitcham and number 17 Jackson Street in Forest Hill both had over 160 people walk through their open homes across the month. We have seen multiple bidders on properties and prices going well over the reserve. Number 10 Evelyn Street in Hampton and number 297 New Street in Brighton both sold for about $500,000 over the reserve, all of which indicates an increase in buyer confidence. 2024 has seen the local Geelong market kick off in a somewhat even fashion, featuring some strong higher-end sales and auction clearance rates, mixed with a higher supply of stock levels, especially in the $500,000 to $1 million price range. This oversupply is predominantly due to the increase in Victorian land taxes, which took effect in January and will result in more properties going on the market. Many residential rental providers will be looking to cash in after absorbing those interest rate increases, added compliance costs, and now the extra tax. Turnkey family properties with no work to be done are proving popular. We expect that this is going to increase as we move into the colder months of the year. After all, not everybody wants a project, especially in the summer months, but I can't imagine renovating in winter in the cold and the wet. We're anticipating that there'll be an increase in the stock level available as more residential rental providers are listing their investment properties for sale. However, buyers should still remain competitive in this market. With this in mind, I would recommend that you make yourself known to the local area agents right at the start of your property search. Some recent success for a one lucky buyer was attained at our Buxton Bentley office. They were able to secure a fantastic family home prior to the property even going to market. Had the buyer not approached their local Buxton agent and build a relationship with them, they would never have found out about this listing. So I can't recommend enough, build a relationship with your local agent at Buxton. While things are inevitably a little bit slower after the Easter period, we are anticipating that we'll have an increased level of properties available in the coming months afterwards, so keep an eye out.